The most defining experience of your sophomore year of college, what would you say that was?
Figuring out which friends are worth keeping and which friends are, worth distancing yourself from. Also, passing linguistics.
Linguistics, liberal arts. That's cool.
Yeah, you can't, only do computer science.
I only did computer science. Did you have any classes where you could set your own curriculum?
I took a class on Python. I got to design it myself.
Tell me about it. I want to know how you approach ambiguous situations.
So we don't do anything?
I mean, there's a lot of different routes we could take, but the best thing we can do is just clam up and do nothing.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we do nothing.
Hey, I'm sorry. It's gonna be okay. Come on, let's play Jenga.
Yeah, I think you need to ask questions and really listen to the people around you.
Great. Asking and listening. Those are good traits of good work, I've heard. Listen, between you and me, you have the internship.
Oh. Really?
Yeah. I mean, your references are great. We love NYU kids, so we can wrap it up here. HR is going to contact you with an email. I'm not sure what is in the email, but...
Great. Thank you so much.
Sure. Sorry, I forgot. We have one more thing we need to ask.
Oh, yeah, anything. I really want this internship.
I can tell, because
Yeah.
you changed talking into singing just then.
Okay.
So we ask all of our prospective interns this. What would you say is your defining moral characteristic?
We should say something.
I really don't think we have to.
Yeah, you're right.
We should say something.
I really don't think we need to.
Yeah, you're right.
We have to say something.
Nothing in life really matters anyway.
Yeah, you're right.
What do you think?
Flexibility.
At your core, the most important trait to you is flexibility.
Yep.
Name one other trait.
Bravery.
And you value flexibility over bravery.
Yeah.
Okay. Flexibility. Sounds like a good trait to me.